Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, I will introduce myself. My name is Berliana Zulfikri, NIM 20233011. I come from Tech Management Program Study. Well, in this video, I will explain about taxes in Indonesia to fulfill the task of the English taxation course. Taxation in Indonesia. What is tax? Tax is a mandatory contribution that must be paid by the taxpayer to the state which is coercive based on the law without getting a direct reward and is used for the benefit of the state in order to promote the welfare of the people. The legal basis governing taxation in Indonesia are Law Number 6 of 1983 and Law Number 28 of 2009. Next, the characteristics of the tax are: number 1, taxes are collected by law. Number 2, do not get rewarded directly. Number 3, taxes are levied by the government. And number 4, used to finance state needs. Next, classification of the tax. The classification of taxes consists of several, namely: classification number 1, based on the collection system. It is divided into two, namely: number 1, direct taxes. It is a tax that must be paid by the taxpayer himself without going through an intermediary. For example, income tax and property tax. Number 2, indirect taxes. Is a tax that can be paid through an intermediary, such as sales tax on luxury goods, value-added tax, custom duties, and others. Classification number 2, based on the subject. It is divided into two, namely: number 1, central tax. Is a tax levied directly by the central government, such as income tax, property tax, sales tax on luxury goods, value-added tax, stamp duty, and others. Number 2, local tax. This is a tax levied by the local government, such as motor vehicle taxes, hotel taxes, entertainment taxes, and others. Classification number 3, based on the subject. It is divided into two, namely: number 1, individual tax. Is a tax that must be paid by the taxpayer himself, like income tax. Number 2, corporate tax. Is a tax that must be paid by the agency or organization. For example, taxes on corporate profit. And the last classification is based on the origin. It is divided into two, namely: domestic taxes and foreign taxes. Well, that's all I can say. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.